welcome to Day 3 of our Navigating Everyday Transactions challenge on at English Vibes Hub S6W. Today, we're going to explore the world of banking and learn some essential vocabulary and phrases to help you navigate everyday transactions at the bank. From opening an account to transferring money, we've got you covered.
That's right, Emma. Banking can seem intimidating, especially when you're not familiar with the terminology. But don't worry, by the end of this episode, you'll be able to confidently use phrases like "I'd like to withdraw some cash" or "Can I get a statement, please?"
Let's start with some basic banking vocabulary. What does deposit mean, Liam? Can you give our listeners an example sentence?
A deposit is when you put money into your account. For example, I'm going to deposit my paycheck into my savings account.
Exactly. And what about withdrawal? Can you explain that to our listeners?
A withdrawal is when you take money out of your account. For instance, I need to withdraw some cash to pay for lunch.
Now let's practice a short role play. Liam, can you be the bank teller and I'll be the customer? I'd like to withdraw some money.
Of course, how much would you like to withdraw today?
I'd like to withdraw $200, please. And can I also get a statement?
That's $200, and let me just print out your statement for you. Would you like it emailed to you as well?
Yes, that would be great, thank you. Now, let's talk about some useful phrases when you're at the bank. What do you think is a common phrase people use when they are at the bank, Liam?
I think one common phrase is "Can I help you with anything else?" It's a polite way to ask if there's anything else you need assistance with.
That's right. And what about "I'd like to speak to a manager"? When would you use that phrase?
You would use that phrase if you're not satisfied with the service you're receiving or if you have a complaint. For example, "I'm not happy with the fee I'm being charged. I'd like to speak to a manager."
Now, let's practice another role play. This time, Liam, you can be the customer and I'll be the bank teller. Go ahead and ask me a question.
Hi, I'd like to open a new account. Can you tell me what types of accounts you offer?
We offer a variety of accounts, including checking and savings accounts. Which type of account are you interested in opening?
I think I'd like to open a savings account. Can you tell me more about the interest rate and any fees associated with it?
Our savings account has a competitive interest rate and no monthly maintenance fees. We also offer online banking and mobile banking services for easy access to your account.
That sounds great. I'd like to open a savings account. Can you help me with the application process?
Of course, I'd be happy to help you with that. Let's get started. Now, it's your turn to practice. Can you repeat some of the phrases we've learned today out loud? For example, "I'd like to withdraw some cash" or "Can I get a statement, please?"
And don't forget to practice a conversation at a bank using the new vocabulary we've learned today. Try to use phrases like "I'd like to open a new account" or "Can I speak to a manager?"
That's right. Practice is key to improving your English skills. So, take a few minutes each day to practice your conversation skills, and you'll see improvement in no time. Now, let's talk about what's in store for tomorrow's challenge.
Tomorrow, we're going to explore the world of shopping and learn some essential vocabulary and phrases to help you navigate everyday transactions at the store. From asking for prices to making a purchase, we'll cover it all.
That's right. And we'll have some more role-play exercises to help you practice your conversation skills. So, be sure to join us tomorrow for Day 4 of the Navigating Everyday Transactions Challenge.
We're looking forward to it. And to get you ready, let's give you a sneak peek at one of the phrases we'll be covering tomorrow. Can I try it on? Can you think of a situation where you might use that phrase, Emma?
That's a great phrase, Liam. I think you might use it when you're trying on clothes at a store. For example, "I'd like to try on this shirt. Can I try it on?"
Exactly, and we'll explore more phrases like that tomorrow. So let's keep the conversation going and see what other phrases we can come up with.